Let's do this question. 3 people A, B and C go fishing. The probability that A catches a fish is 1 by 3. The probability that B catches a fish is 1 by 4 and the probability that C catches a fish is 3 by 7. What is the probability that at least one of them catches a fish? Alright, pause the video, give it a try and then let's do it together. Alright, we are back. Let's do it together. Over here, we need to find the probability that at least one of them catches a fish, right? So we can do this in two ways. One way would be, if we want at least one of them to catch a fish, there could be a possibility where one catches a fish. There could be a possibility where two catches a fish, and there is a probability where 3 people catch a fish, right? Now, we can calculate these independently and add up these probabilities to get the answer. So over here, when we want to find the scenario where one catches a fish, it could be that A catches a fish, B does not catch a fish and C does not catch a fish. Or it can be that A does not catch a fish, B catches a fish and C does not catch a fish. Similarly, it can be that A does not catch a fish, B does not catch a fish and C catches a fish. So there are these 3 cases for this one over here. Similarly, there will be multiple cases in the other scenarios as well. So this is a lengthy process to solve this question. An easier method would be using the concept of exhaustive events. We know that all the possible events are either 0 people catching a fish, 1 person catching a fish, exactly 2 people catching a fish, and exactly 3 people catching a fish. That's all the possibilities, right? Therefore, these 4 events, this one, this one, this one and this one, are a set of exhaustive events. That's why the probability of 0 people catching a fish plus the probability of 1 person catching a fish plus the probability of 2 people catching a fish plus the probability of 3 people catching a fish is equal to 1, because these are exhaustive events, right? Alright, now if we want to find the case where at least one of them catches a fish, that would be these 3 possibilities, right? Therefore, to find this one over here, that is the probability that at least one catches a fish, we just need to find 1 minus the probability where nobody catches a fish, right? Now this can be done in a very easy manner. Let me make some space over here. Alright, now that is equal to 1 minus complement of A into complement of B into complement of C, right? We know that the probability for A to catch a fish is 1 by 3. Therefore, the probability for A to not catch a fish is the complement of A, which is 1 minus 1 by 3, right? So P of A dash will be 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. Similarly, P of B dash will be 1 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. And P of C dash will be 1 minus 3 by 7, which is equal to 4 by 7. Therefore, this expression over here becomes 1 minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 4 by 7. And this 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. This 4 and this 4 gets cancelled. So it's 1 minus 2 by 7, which is equal to 5 by 7. And that is your answer.